I am so happy. Finally, all my stuff is in the same space. The main reason why I decided to rebuild my workshop in the first place was that so I can add an office space where I can keep my 3D printer and my cricut printer, as well as all accessories that come with it, which up until this point was all stored in the house. That means that every time I was working on the project, I had to run between my workshop and the house, and that just wasn't very convenient. So I built these two cabinets to create the space that I always dreamed of. Let me show you how I did it, so if you need, you can do it too. I started by building the frame using pocket holes.
The other night, saw you glance your everlasting light. Met your eyes, razor sharp, cut right through the crowd. I don't even want to know your name, I just wanna keep you to myself. Stay with me or leave me be, I want you all too bad. We're strangers in the night. We're in a strange delight. Come with me and you will see we are bound to be strangers in the night. Walk the walk, talk the talk, get me through the maze. Dazzled eyes shining bright, a never-ending space. I don't even want to know your name, I just wanna keep you to myself. Stay with me or leave me be, I want you all too bad. We're strangers in the night. We're in a strange delight. Come with me and you will see we are.
With frame almost ready, I moved on to drawers.
Hide and seek till I found you, oh, I found you, oh, I found you, yeah. You think the gods have found you, yeah. Proof, those who wait never. I've been hungry for affection, baby, best believe that you got my attention, baby, now I see. You're there in my reflection, you're a part of me, a missing piece. Hide and seek till I found you, oh, I found you, oh, I found you, yeah. Hide and seek till I aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come my way. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know I must get it right, must get back in